solve y into x square y square plus 2 into dx plus x into 2 minus 2x square y square into dy equal to 0. Solution. So the given differential equation is y into x square y square plus 2 into dx plus x into 2 minus 2x square y square into dy equal to 0. So therefore now this equation is in the form of mdx plus ndy equal to 0. So now the equation is m into dx plus n into dy equal to 0, where m equal to y into x square y square plus 2 and n equal to x into 2 minus 2x square y square. And next now differentiating with respect to y. So then what is the value? Dou m by dou y equal to dou by dou y of y into x square y square plus 2. And then next dou n by dou x equal to dou by dou x of x into 2 minus 2x square y square. So next dou by dou y of y into the value y into x square y square. So it means dou by dou y of x square y cube plus 2y. So then here x square is constant and y cube is 3y square plus 2 into derivation of y is 1, which implies 3x square y square plus 2. So this is dou m by dou y, and dou n by dou x equal to dou by dou x of 2x, dou by dou x of 2x minus 2x cube y square. So then 2 into the derivation of x is 1 and 2y square into x cube derivation is 3x square. Then 2 minus 6x square y square. Therefore dou m by dou y, which is dou m by dou y, which is not equal to dou n by dou x. Therefore hence the equation 1, which is not exact. Hence the equation is not exact differential equation. Not exact differential equation. And this equation, which is in the form of, and this equation is in the form of, what is that form? Y into f1 of x comma y into dx plus x into f2 of xy into dy equal to 0. So hence the integrating factor is, if equal to 1 by mx minus ny. So this is equation number 2. Substituting the values of m and n. Now substituting the values of m and n in equation 2. So then integrating factor equal to 1 by y into x square y square plus 2 into x minus x into 2 minus 2x square y square into y. So then which implies 1 by x square into x, that means x cube y cube, plus 2xy minus 2xy plus 2x cube y cube. So here 2xy, here 2xy cancel. So then what is the value? 1 by 3x cube y cube. Multiplying the equation 1 with the integrating factor. With the integrating factor on both sides. So then y into x square y square plus 2 into 1 by 3x cube y cube into dx plus x into 2 minus 2x square y square into 1 by 3x cube y cube into dy equal to 0. So which implies x square y square plus 2 by 3x cube y square into dx plus 2 minus 2x square y square by 3x square y cube into dy equal to 0. So this is the equation. Now again comparing this equation with comparing this equation with m1 dx plus n1 dy equal to 0, where m1 equal to what is the value? X square y square plus 2 by 3x cube y square, and n1 equal to 2 minus 2x square y square by 3x square y cube. Dou m1 by dou y equal to what is the value? 4 by 3x cube y cube. And next dou n1 by dou x equal to dou by dou x of 2 minus 2x square y square by 3x square y cube. So then which implies minus 4 by 3x cube y cube. So therefore dou n1 by dou x equal to which equal to dou n1 by dou x. Therefore it is exact differential equation. The general solution is integral m1 dx plus integral n1 dy equal to c. So which implies integral x square y square plus 2 by 3x cube y square into dx minus integral 2 by 3y into dy equal to c. Integral 1 by 3x into dx integral 2 by 3x cube y square 2 by 3y into dy equal to c. So which implies 1 by 3 into log x plus 2 by 3y square into x power minus 2 by minus 2 minus 2 by 3 into log y equal to c. So therefore the required equation is 1 by 3 into log x minus 1 by 3 x square y square 1 by 3 into log x minus 1 by 3 x square y square minus 2 by 3 into log y equal to C. Hence the solution.